Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe, Haitian pickles. Do keep in mind I will go ahead and leave a full list of the ingredients and measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. So if this is your first time, please subscribe. So guys, for this recipe, here are the ingredients you will need. Fresh cabbage, purple onion, radish, lime, pimento pepper, also scotch bonnet pepper, distilled vinegar, parsley or cilantro, purple cabbage, and also a pinch of salt, which can also be substituted for sea salt. Next step, prepare my ingredients. Guys, for this recipe you're certainly going to need a grater, mainly using the large side. This will certainly ensure that you get the perfect size and quantity of your grated cabbage. Radish, parsley, and also purple onion, pimento pepper, great taste and flavor. Next guys, scotch bonnet pepper or hot pepper, very tasty and flavorful. So here we are guys, my chopped ingredients. As mentioned, I will go ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So here we are guys, next step is basically go ahead and add your chopped ingredients to your grated cabbage, purple cabbage. To avoid change of color, I will only go ahead and add a small portion. Next, purple onion, grated carrots, pinch of salt. As mentioned, you can also substitute for sea salt. Parsley, radish, next guys, to go ahead and add an extra kick to this recipe, hot pepper, also known as scotch bonnet pepper, great taste and flavor. Also, I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of pimento pepper. You can certainly avoid the scotch bonnet pepper and just go right ahead and use pimento pepper, very tasty. Next guys, I'm going to go right ahead and add some lime juice. Next guys, I'm going to go right ahead and add some distilled vinegar. want to go right ahead and give it a good mix. Then you want to place it right in the refrigerator, and you can enjoy this delicious side pickle with any of your favorite meal. So guys, I hope you gave this delicious recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question you may have below. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my remaining chopped ingredients to finish it off. So here we are guys, my finished dish. Delicious Haitian pickles. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time.